In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 522 connection timed out error in Google Chrome, a common issue many users encounter. This error usually indicates that your web browser tried to connect to a web server, but the server didn't respond in time. To help you solve this issue, let's go through a few simple yet effective steps that can get you back on track in no time. First and foremost, let's start by checking your internet connection. This might sound basic, but a faulty internet connection often causes these kinds of errors. Begin by ensuring your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is properly connected. Sometimes, loose cables or weak Wi-Fi signals can cause interruptions. If everything appears to be in order, move on to restarting your router. Simply unplug your internet router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a few moments to fully reconnect to the internet. This can solve a myriad of connectivity problems by refreshing your network connection and can potentially clear up the 522 error right away. Next, we need to address possible issues within the Chrome browser itself by clearing your browsing data. Corrupted or outdated data stored in your browser can sometimes interfere with website connections and lead to errors like the one we're dealing with today. To begin, open Google Chrome and press Ctrl+Shift+Delete simultaneously. This will bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. For a thorough reset, you'll want to select a time range of all time. This ensures you're clearing out everything that could potentially cause issues. Then, make sure to check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the elements that, when outdated or corrupted, most commonly trigger connection problems. Finally, click on Clear Data to start the process. Clearing your browser data will remove any potential roadblocks within Chrome, allowing you a fresh start. Keep in mind that doing this may sign you out of websites and could remove any stored browser settings or preferences. Therefore, it might be a good idea to note down or back up any important information beforehand. By following these steps, you should resolve the 522 connection timed out error and restore your ability to browse efficiently with Google Chrome. If the problem persists even after trying these solutions, it might be a server-side issue. In such a case, reaching out to the website support team for additional help could be beneficial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to optimize your browsing experience.